Hi everyone, it's me, Maddie. It is February the 1st, 2018. It's the first video of the year, and of course, the first box opening video of the year. This is a second-hand Minifee Moe line body that I bought from Gamergirllexi on Instagram. I'm so excited. And body is for this head here, my Fairyland Alicia head. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Am I in frame? Sort of, maybe, no. There we go. Okay, let's go. Scissors. No talking, just cutting. Let's go. I'm too excited for this. Now, funny story, which I've told many a time on Tumblr. Now, when I started in the hobby, I used to loathe Minifees. I don't know why, like, it was just childish logic, I guess, but, like, I just jumped on the bandwagon of not liking Minifees, but then my absolutely amazing friend, who was like my first friend in the hobby, I love her so much, she got Minifees, and after seeing them and being able to interact, ooh, peanuts, interact with them, I really started secretly liking them. And then when the Rhea came out a couple years ago, I was like, yep, I'm done. I like Minifees now. Ooh, I laughed and all the peanuts went flying. Peanuts! I'm so excited for this, guys. Customs charged me an arm and a leg. I'm kind of sad about that. Ooh. Now this is a oh, the box is upside down. How am I gonna do this? Oh, shush clock, saying it is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Oh God. Oh no. Peanuts are falling. Let me have the box. How am I doing this? I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh, okay. Pick those up before my cat eats them. Ah, it's a big box. Ah! Oh, this is exciting. But the character that this is, her name is Amaz Imentet, and she is the child of 2 of my awesome friends' characters. I love her so much. Okay, I'm leaving a link to her Instagram in the description below. But for now, okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. It's a manual and the, I'm gonna stick my finger over that. Card of authenticity. And the manual. Oh, that's so neat. Now, fun fact, ooh, that's really cool. Oh, this is so neat. Okay, I need to stop. None of her stuff has come in yet. I went a bit overboard on Etsy and bought a bunch of stuff, and only 2 things have come in. Well, 3 things if you include her. No, her wig has come in, her eyes have come in, her undergarments have come in, and a pair of shoes have come in. But otherwise, I'm still waiting on everything. Oh, so cute. Oh, come on out. Ah! Forgot about the magnet hand thing. Come on out of there. Oh my god, it's so small and cute. not even looking at the camera. I'm really sorry. Oh my god, but careful. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, she's so cute. Her cute little feet. Her cute little tummy. Oh my god. Okay. I'm okay. This is like the worst box opening video ever. So it's just me screaming. These hands are really pretty. I think she said these were number 9 hands. I don't know. Can you see that? Cool. Okay. I forgot about the whole magnet hand thing. Oh god. Get back up here. It's like Thing from Addams Family. Get back in there. I said get back in there. I just want that. Ha! Okay, we're gonna carefully move that box. Oh my god! It's so cute! Wow, it's so nice. Can you just stare at her for a second? Caution, doll nudity. Just throw that in there. But wow. She poses really well, I guess. I'm gonna have to play with her some more. I've never, like, when I hung out with my friend, whose link is in the description, I'm always too nervous to handle her minifies. So it's like, here, hold this. And it's like, what do I do? But now I have one of my own. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Now I'm new to this head getting on thingy too, because I bought Neo a neck connector. There we go. Oh, oh, she's so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, we're gonna have a problem, guys. So here she is in all of her glory with her boobs. Funny, people made it out to be that they were much bigger, but luckily they're not. Thank the gods for that. Her toes are so small. Oh my god, she's just so cute. Okay. I have her stuff here. Can't. Where are her panties? They're in with her shoes. Ugh, come on. There we go. Panties. Now these are specifically for the Moe line, so should fit pretty. Just giving you a slight bit of decency, child. Aw, you're so cute. And still got a butt. Oh my god, guys. I'm in trouble. She's so cute. What do I do? You're too cute. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm just so happy. Oh, she's just so fantastic. So I'm gonna put her wig on. I'm gonna see if I can find her some temporary clothes. This has been a terrible video. Oh god. But at least I'm on camera with my messy hair that I just got out of work. Just got blood work done. And now I'm here with a dolly. This is Alma's. She's doll number 25. She's so cute. I'm making like the weirdest faces in this video too. Oh my god. All right. Okay, I did not take pictures. Oh, Instagram, I'm so sorry. What was the last picture I took was of the box. Yeah, so might want to take another picture real quick. And take a picture of this real quick. Get out of there. Do. Boop. Ugh, you guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm so sorry. Okay, that's everything. I'm done. I gotta go. I want to play with her. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I don't... I'm just too hyper about this. I'm so sorry. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.